Today we're comparing two Autel scan tools, the MP808S versus the MK808S. I'll walk you through what each can do, where they differ, and which one might be smarter for you. Let's get started.
And in this video, I'll be reviewing the Autel MaxiPRO MP808S. In this video, I'm going to go over all the features and functions of this powerful tool and give you my honest opinion on whether it's worth your investment. Get ready to dive into the world of diagnostics with the Autel MaxiPRO MP808S. The Autel MaxiPRO MP808S is a professional-grade diagnostic tool that brings unparalleled power and functionality to the palm of your hand. Whether you're a professional mechanic or a passionate dyer, this tool is a game changer. Let's take a closer look. One of the standout features of the MP808S is its AutoVIN technology. This innovative function allows you to automatically identify the vehicle's VIN, vehicle identification number. With just one touch, this means no more manual entry and less room for error. It saves time and ensures accurate diagnostics every time. With the Autel MaxiPRO MP808S, you gain access to a wide range of diagnostic capabilities. It can perform comprehensive system scans, read and clear trouble codes, view live data streams, and even perform active tests. You can diagnose and troubleshoot issues with the engine, transmission, ABS, SRS, and more. It's like having a professional workshop in your hands. Autel has designed the MP808S with user convenience in mind. The intuitive interface and large touchscreen display make navigation a breeze. You can quickly access the desired functions, view diagnostic results, and generate comprehensive reports. Whether you're a tech-savvy pro or just starting out, the MP808S is incredibly user-friendly. Autel is committed to providing top-notch support to its customers. The MP808S comes with free lifetime software updates, ensuring you always have access to the latest diagnostic capabilities and vehicle coverage. Plus, Autel offers comprehensive technical support, including online resources, live chat, and phone assistance. You're never alone on your diagnostic journey. And there you have it, folks, the Autel MaxiPRO MP808S. A powerful and user-friendly diagnostic tool that empowers you to tackle any automotive challenge. Whether you're a professional mechanic or a passionate dyer, this tool is a must-have in your arsenal. Thank you for watching this video, and we hope it was informative. If you have any questions or comments, please leave them in the comment section below.
The Autel MaxiCOM MK808S. If you're looking for a scanner that gives you dealer-level diagnostics without the dealer-level price tag, this might be it. As the 2025 upgraded version of MaxiCheck MX808, our newest MK808S auto diagnostic scanner for all cars inherits the powerful bidirectional control, which makes it the most cost-effective auto scanner. Active Test is widely used on car subsystems to help you check if the car actuators are all in good condition, such as windows, rear mirrors, sunroof, wipers, etc. MK808S dealer-level scanner, like Snap-on tools, effectively works all cars for all system diagnostics. It reads and clears codes, provides ECU info, displays 5 in 1 live data, performs active tests, and special functions for all available modules. With a few clicks, you can easily understand the vehicle's condition. The convenient Wi-Fi printing feature allows you to generate a detailed report, highlighting the exact nature of the problem. Autel Versatile OBDI Scanner MK808S, full level up of MX808, work as MX900, 900 Malawian Kwaches, MK900BT, supports 150-plus car brands worldwide and FCA AutoAuth. Like the OBD2 code reader MaxiCOM MK808BT Pro, MK808S is equipped with 28-plus hot services, including oil reset, SAS calibration, ABS bleeding, injector coating, battery registration, etc. MK808S ranks top in professional automotive tablets and keeps updating to support more newer modes from 2023 to 2025. As the largest Autel officially certified seller on Amazon for 10 years, we prioritize user experience and strive to meet your expectations. If you have any questions, please reach out Telephone Receiver Motorzone US at Outlook.com Telephone Receiver for assistance. We are available 24/7, 365 to support you and offer the following: a 1-year brand warranty, 12-month free updates, lifetime technical support, and free return and replacement policy. Pros: wide vehicle coverage, tons of service functions, easy to use, affordable. And cons: no coding or programming for most models. Updates require a yearly subscription after the first year. So, is the Autel MK808S worth it? If you're a serious DIYer, small shop owner, or even just someone who wants to save on diagnostics, absolutely. It packs serious punch without breaking the bank. Just know it's not meant to replace pro-level tools like the Ultra or MS906.
By the way, if you've already made up your mind, I've put both scanners' links in the description below so you can check the latest price and grab the one that suits you best. If you found this comparison helpful, don't forget to give us a thumbs up, subscribe for more content, and let us know in the comments which OBD scanner you prefer or if you have any questions. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.